In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion and Slack, specifically focusing on transforming messages into actionable tasks. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need access to Zapier, the platform we'll use to create an automated workflow, or a Zap that links Slack and Notion. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, go ahead and sign up. Once you're signed in, look for the option to create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a bridge. It helps connect two different apps to automate a process. Now, let's set the trigger. For our task, we want to choose Slack as the triggering app since we're starting there. Specifically, select the trigger event called New Reaction Added. This essentially means whenever you add a specific reaction to a message, let's use the checkmark emoji for this example, that action will kickstart the Zap. The next step is to define the action that follows this trigger. Here, you'll choose Notion as the action app. Our action event is to create a database item. This ensures that once the trigger is activated in Slack, a new task is automatically created in your Notion database. Before we move on, it's time to connect both your Slack and Notion accounts to Zapier. When prompted, simply log in to both accounts through Zapier so it can access and use your data safely. This is an essential step, as without appropriate permissions, Zapier won't be able to create that seamless bridge we're aiming for. Now comes the mapping stage, where we align fields from Slack to Notion. For this Zap, take the text of the Slack message and map it as the task title in Notion. This serves as your main identifier for the task. Optionally, you can also map the Slack user who posted the original message to the assigned to field in Notion, allowing for clear task delegation. Additionally, you might want to map the timestamp of the message to the due date field, providing a timeline for when the task should be completed. With everything set up, there's just one more step, turning on your Zap. This activates the automation, allowing the connections and actions we've set to run smoothly every time your trigger occurs. Be sure to test the Zap to ensure everything is working as expected. Add the specified reaction to a message in Slack and check if a corresponding task appears in Notion. And that's it. You've now successfully automated the process of turning Slack interactions into actionable tasks in Notion. This connection can help streamline your workflow, ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. Feel free to tweak these steps to better suit your needs and enjoy these newfound efficiencies. Thanks for joining me today, and happy automating.